AMD pops all the way back up into its pre-market range. Not a lot going on right now. And Google back on the highs. Look at that shakeout. Wow. Wow, that is really something there. 160 high day. And Google's going. There goes Google. Apple also. Apple also. 170 high day. Interesting from Google. I'm going to switch out to a 15-minute. Is there anywhere here to lean against? Apple. Apple also running. Amazon on lows. Apple on highs. Google on highs. I'm wondering if somewhere around here, the 60-cent level against 30 cents, 20 cents. Let's call it 20 cents. 60 cents against 20 cents in Google. Apple on highs. Let's look at Amazon, which just hit pre-market lows. I believe it did. 185 is the next low day. Here's Google coming back in. Actually, I like it closer down to here, to be frank, around 30 something against the whole. So let's do that down by the hole instead. There's AMD on highs. AMD. Wow. Look at those. Look at that bar. Holy moly. Okay, 172 AMD high day. Interesting. I think I actually need to be about 10 cents higher, around 35. AMD. Goodness, let's look at Tesla. AMD. Let's look at Apple. Apple looks good. Apple looks good too. Maybe around 169.10. Against 80 cents. So bidding for some Google. I was at 60 cents, but now I'm down in the 30s. And I'm bidding for some Apple down at 10 cents. Very tight so far here on the ES. What's AMD doing? Tesla, Apple, Micron, also on highs. Interesting. And Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. There's MU on highs, 126s, 127. Next high day. TSM I was looking at. It's also running. Doesn't look bad. Let me throw that on the 149 high day. Right now, not a lot to do. Just waiting to see what 10 a.m. will bring, essentially. There's Tesla on new highs. Tesla 175 high day will set. Tesla on highs, making its way up to 75. Wow. ES making lows. Tesla making highs. AMD pushing higher. Apple, TSM. Oh, whoops. Google, Apple. Let's see what this looks like. As we start to come in here, Apple's starting to come into 50 cents. I'm down at 10 cents. Here's Google at 60. I'm down at 30 something. Google only 20 cents away from a fill. Apple about 30 cents away from a fill, I should say. ES moving lower. Tesla. No, that's not on new highs. That's just the watch list stuck. And here is coming my Google. I thought this was lower actually at 35 cents. Not 45, but 35. I'm going to lower that back down to 35. Apple down to the 30s now, getting closer to that 10-cent spot. There's Tesla hitting 75. 176 high day. Do I want to mess with that right now? Not yet. Still see if I can get this Google and Apple. Got the Google right here. So long Google, average price 35 cent. Stop is down below the hole, and we are looking for a return to 59. So that's that's where we're going. 59. Right there. And this is just a scalp. There's no significant fresh news to turn this into some kind of trade to hold. ES is going the wrong direction here, and Apple's getting very close to touching me down here at 12. Right there I am. And there drops Google through 30, dropping lower. I'm about to get filled on Apple. Got Apple long. Long Apple, 12-cent average. Still long Google here, 35-cent average. Stop on Apple is going to be down below 79. Apple, we are looking for a return back up to this like 69.60, 69.70 area up here. Also just a scalp 70-ish area up here. That's where we're looking for that. And there drops the ES on lows. Just not going to help these longs. Not going to help these longs. There goes Apple. Into the 20s. Can Apple reclaim 30s? Yes, still on lows. Not going to help. And Google not getting up. It did at first. There's Apple. Into the 30s. Tesla hitting highs. Here comes Google back into the 30s. Can it get back up over 50 cents? Here's Google trying for 50 cents. Got above 50. Can it get above 60 cents? Interesting tape there. Can it get above 60 cents? Yes, it can. Google, can it get up to this 59? There's 70s. Might have to take it on this push here. Just scalp it out. Can we get to 70s? Yes, we can. 80s? Yes, we can. I'm going to take it right here. Did not get it. Did not get it. Got it there. Canceling the rest of my Google. I took it right there. And here's Apple into the 30s. Again, just going to scalp this out. Maybe we can get a push up above 50 cents here. Nope. Can we get up? That Apple's coming right back down in, isn't it? I don't like that. I do not like that. And ES making new lows. I might scratch this Apple. It's really got to get up above 30 here. There we go. Can it get up above 40? 37s, 35s, 40s, 50s. Here's 40s. I'm just going to take it here. I just took it, scalped it out because I'm just not seeing the follow through happening here. Look at that. Google got up to 59. Very nice. So that would have made it up higher. I got out at 78 cents there. It did make it up to 59. Let me set a marker here so I can review. And then this Apple I took off at 40 cents, just scalping it out. It just looks like that kind of environment right now. But so two small little scalps there on the long side. Nice entry on Google. Reasonable push back up to 59. I wonder if Google's going to go try for highs. 59.23, and I'll put a 59. And here's Apple above here, and I was actually looking for 70s. I took it off in the 40s. And let's look at Tesla. Tesla new highs 176. I'll put 177 high a day. Why is my caps lock on? I'll put that right there. Tesla. Go back to Apple, and Google keeps going. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice follow through, but I'm just scalping here today. And in fact, I think what I'm going to opt to do is just set alerts and head off to work here. Right now we're just kind of grinding. There might be some kind of hesitancy to put a lot of risk on before all the news events tomorrow. There's a bunch of numbers coming out. I don't know. Can Apple gain that 50? Really nice on Google. Really nice move to highs. There's Google on highs. That ended up working. Next high is 60 cents, 30s. Beautiful. Beautiful on Google. And yeah, I'm okay with scalping it out. I'm okay. It's that kind of day right now. I haven't seen otherwise. And there's no, as far as I saw, no significant fresh news. Yes, there's a big technical breakout here, but these breakouts have not been working in the recent market regime that we're in. So, and Apple not really making its way north of 40 there. So, and it all just comes back here. So, and the ES is on lows. So there's not a bunch of stuff pointing in favor of holding on for higher prices on these longs right now. Anyways, I think I'm going to head off to work and set these alerts, which they're already set, and go from there. If anything alerts later, I'll be back. Hey, look, this Apple did end up making it up to that 70 target. So that would have worked too. I took it off at 40. It made it up to 70. So another 30 cent on that piece could have been gotten. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, hindsight. Monday morning quarterback in here, but I'm still okay with taking all on, all off on that one. But it did make its way back up. Wonder if it'll go hit new highs. We'll see.